what kind of a space you are just dropping yourself. You see, you are like a huge, large size bag of cotton. If you soak the cotton bag into red color every night, next day morning it will be red color. If you soak that into green color, next day morning it will be green color. What kind of a dye color you soak the cotton bag, next day it will be that same color. One day if you soak in red and next day you soak in blue, it will be mixture of both. Same way, every night, what kind of a space in which you are soaking you are just dropping you. Next day when you come out of that will only be dripping you around. You will be oozing out only that. In what you dropped you, next day you will be dripping that. Same thing. Drop yourself every day in highest Kundalini. I tell you, the definition of sleep, you should never feel tired, bored when you close your eyes and rest your body. You should not be feeling restless. Understand? Restlessness means insomnia, sleeplessness. Turning this side, that side, tossing around. Neither you should be exhausted and drop yourself in the bed and fall asleep, nor you should be restless without getting sleep. It should be just entering into the energy space. And it is possible. I am not giving you any great theories. No. Just remember, last 10 or 12 hours, the wax with which you made this world, the circus tent with which you opened and running your circus, now wind up the whole thing, melt down the whole wax and drop it into the source and relax. In the circus tent, the poles and the cloth and the lamps, rings and the ringmaster, animals and the visitors, viewers, fans who are clapping and few people who are protesting that animals should not be tortured. Everybody is you. Every night when you are dropping into that space of powerfulness, remember, everybody is you. You are doing this drama. You already gave the script to all of them and playing the game. You are doing this drama. You have given the script. Just relax into that powerfulness which comes when you do completion. Every night before falling asleep, just complete whatever incompletions you remember and fall into that powerful space. Fall into that powerful space. Neither you should be tired or bored or exhausted when you fall asleep, nor You should be restless, sleepless. Feeling insomnia. Understand, insomnia and tiredness both are same. Don't ever imagine if you are tired you will fall asleep. No. It is not true. It is not true. You should never fall asleep if your body is aching, body is having any pain. Complete with all the physical, mental pains, boredom, all that, and just drop. Complete. When you fall asleep in the space of completion every night, your Kundalini will be raised to its peak. Because awakening the Kundalini and keeping it in its peak is more easy in the night time while you fall asleep than in the daytime. Because in the daytime there are so many distractions. Even if you raise your Kundalini up, the moment you see your spouse, it comes down, tatak. And then you remember Anandagandha, these, that, completion, and bring it up. The moment you see your boss, tatak. And then you do something and tak, 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 bring it up. The moment you see somebody who gave you the loan, tam, down. It just goes up and down like a roller coaster. But in the night time, if you just relax into the space of completion and soak yourself, drop yourself in the Kundalini energy, listen, then you will just have the luxury of life energy, Kundalini.